Hello friends, how are you today? When we Indian thinks of planning a meal, we only think of roti, sabji, dal, rice or chicken curry or fish curry that will go with rice or roti. If you are working or sometimes you are very busy, you don't have time to plan an elaborate meal. There are numerous quick recipes which you can make at this time. There are also good options for takeaway in your tiffin. Planning a healthy meal becomes easy when you include a good protein source, a carbohydrate source and healthy fats along with a good salad with lots of vegetables. That's it, there is your complete meal. Today I am bringing you not just one but 3 high protein recipes which are very easy and quick to cook as well as they are tasty too. Along the way I am going to give you many more ideas to how to cook such healthy, tasty and quick meals. So watch this video till the end. The first recipe is of roasted chicken and I have paired it with jeera rice and some salad. So let's begin the marination. Here I have taken a bunch of coriander leaves, chop them coarsely and add it to the jar. Some 12 to 15 mint leaves, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt according to taste, turmeric, a 𝒑𝒊𝒕𝒊𝒔 and 2 tablespoons of curd. No need to add water here. Grind it to a fine paste. I have taken 1 leg piece and a small piece of breast. I have made small slits on the chicken leg. Apply the marinade on the chicken. Rub it nicely so the masala goes into the slit. You can change the marinade of this recipe by adding tandoori masala, or you can also add some dry or fresh herbs and make it into an Italian pasta. Marinate chicken for half an hour to 2 hours. Add olive oil on a non-stick pan. Spread the oil evenly. Arrange the chicken pieces on the pan. Add few drops of oil if required. When it's turned golden brown at the bottom, turn it over. Cover it with a lid so that the chicken cooks from inside. Sometimes the chicken legs are very big and remains raw inside, so you need to check it. You can take smaller pieces of breast, marinate, roast them, add Greek salad which I have shown earlier and roll it into wheat or a multigrain roti and make it a takeaway for your tiffin. See, the breast pieces are done. Turn it over on all the sides. While this is cooking, I am making some jeera rice. I have added homemade ghee, jeera and some curry leaves into this. Keep eye on the chicken. Check it with the fork if it's done. This is done very nicely. I'll remove it on a serving plate. The second recipe is pomfret fry in green masala with salad. Come on, let's see the marination. It's almost same. Pudina leaf, the bunch of coriander leaves, green chilies. Here we are taking only garlic, not adding ginger. Salt, and instead of curd I am taking a lemon here. Add it in a mixie jar and grind it to a coarse paste without adding water. I have marinated pomfret with salt, turmeric and 𝒑𝒊𝒕𝒊𝒔. Adding the green paste here. Apply it evenly. Marinate this for half an hour. Take a pan. Add the olive oil. Spread it evenly. Add the pomfret pieces. Apply the masala which is remaining in the vessel on the top of the pieces. The pomfret will not take time to cook. Fish cooks very quickly, so check it out. If you cook fish for longer time, it will become hard. Fish always tastes better when it's soft. Turn it over and cook it from other side. You can also check if it's done by sliding a fork. Remove it on a serving tray. See how nice color it has got. Take a pan again, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to it. I am adding some cut vegetables here. Add chopped onions. Saute for 2 minutes. Then add other salad vegetables. I am having red pepper, yellow pepper, broccoli and yellow zucchini. Saute for 2 minutes. Add black pepper. I have Himalayan salt. You can add normal salt also according to taste. And there is some green masala left from fish here, so I am adding that to make this salad somewhat spicy. You can also add any herbs if you have fresh herbs or dry herbs and chili flakes and some lemon juice, and the salad is ready. The third recipe I am showing you today is of paneer and sprout salad, so vegetarians don't complain. I have half cooked the mung beans. You can add any sprout here. I have cut 1-inch square pieces of cucumber, carrot, onion, tomatoes, yellow and red pepper and paneer. You know, you need to have at least 250 to 300 grams of vegetables in your diet every day to fulfill your fiber requirements. Take a bowl and add vegetables. I am adding more tomatoes as it's not yet 300 grams. Yes, now it's 300 grams. Adding the sprouts, the paneer, salt to taste, finely chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, black pepper. Squeeze half a lemon juice. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Mix it properly. And I am going to taste it. A high protein salad is ready. You can have this for the dinner if you had heavy lunch in the morning. So did you like these recipes and my ideas of healthy combo meals? Comment below and tell me if you do make such meals. Like and share the recipe and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. Thank you. Take care guys. Meet you again with the next recipe.